Hi there, it's Renee Rushton from reneerushton.com. I am going to show you how to make a simple thumbnail in probably less than 6 minutes. So I'm going to share my screen with you right away. We're going to go to canva.com. It's a free thing that you can use to design whatever you want. So here we are. We're going to create a design, so you have choices. I just made one and my video wouldn't upload, so I'm doing another one. So I'm going to go to more, because you want to look for the thumbnail for YouTube. So go down here, blogging, marketing, social media, and email. So here you are, YouTube thumbnail. So click on that. I'm going to make the exact same thumbnail. So there's your size that you're going to need. So first of all, we're going to pick a background. So let's pick, all of these are free, so pick whichever one you want. I think I picked this one. Let's go with that one. So there's my background. You can change it after, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to upload a picture of me. If you don't have, you go here, you can upload your own images. Like there, just upload them wherever. Add in whatever you want, and then you can pick whatever you want. I'm going to pick this one because it kind of goes with the pink. I'm going to make it a little bigger, and then you just drag it over and move it around. So there we go. Okay, because I want to leave lots of space for the title. So over here to the left again, we're going to click text. Doesn't matter which one you pick, because you're going to make it a little X, and then you can move it over. Now I already copy and pasted, so I'm going to highlight that, delete it. I already copy and pasted my title. Okay, so again, we're going to just drag it in. Now that I can make it a little bigger, so get in the middle there, and we're going to highlight it and make it a little bigger. So let's try about 56. That's a little big. 48. Let's drag that. How to add a thumb. Oh, that's not fitting, so let's move it over. There we go. We could even make that bigger. Just move it down. Okay, how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube video. Let's even see if, oops, what am I doing here? Let's see if I can even make that a bigger font. You have to really stand out. Okay, so get in here so that you can highlight it. You want to be able to highlight. Second page, and there we are. Okay, so here we are. We have our thumbnail. Whatever, you can change it, it doesn't matter. So first thing you do, go over to the file on the left hand side, save it. It's going to say title, whatever you typed in here, it's going to save it up here. Now you're going to download it. Now to download it, pick the JPEG, because the PNG, just for some reason YouTube won't accept it, for me anyways. So it should take a couple of seconds to download it. There we go, there we go. Your design is ready and downloading. There you go. So it's downloaded, okay? So you're gonna go over to your YouTube channel, and let's just assume, pick any video, okay? Any video. And I'm gonna stop it. And you just go in to edit your video, or your add video. You see here where you have to add a thumbnail, so you don't get a weird looking, when your face is all kind of weird on the thing. You just download your image right there, and that's all you do. That's all you need to do, okay? As long as you save it and download it, there's your thumbnail. And let me just stop sharing the screen. What's going on here? Oh, stop sharing. There you go. And there's your thumbnail. Easy peasy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got lots of great trainings there. And if there's any training that you need or you want, just let me know. Send me a message. And if you got value from this, comment and share it out. That's it. See you on the next video.